Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So it really drives me crazy when I place a rug down and always have to straighten it or move it back in place. These rug gripper pads are the absolute perfect things to handle the sliding, the curling, and the misbehaving rugs. They are ultra strong and they have this dual-ended tape on both sides. So when you stick it to the rug, you then also stick it to the floor and it keeps everything perfectly in place. There's no more moving. There's no more sliding. You just put it on your rug and then stick it to the floor. This thing does not move. It stays and it's reusable. These are really great for keeping the rugs in place. They're safe during the holidays when the family and the guests come over. You don't have to worry about them slipping when they step on the rug into the house. And they have worked great for the dogs that have the zoomies when they're coming in and out. We love them.